my name is Karim Masumi, and I'm a solution engineer at Sauce Labs. Let's look at a workflow that highlights how Sauce Labs mobile app diagnostics provides insights into how your customers interact with your app, how your app consumes APIs and services, and your app's code. First though, let's go shopping. Let's create some session data and go shopping. I don't really need this bag, but we're going to go ahead and add it to the cart. And you're right, I don't need it, so let's just remove it. But the app isn't responding when I try to do that. A little bit odd, but let's continue. Maybe a shirt. Not 10 though, so let's also remove this. And again, app's not responsive. Well, it really came for the bike light, so those two issues are okay. But now the app's crashed. Not the greatest experience. Let's look at the session data and see if we can figure out what went wrong. Let's take a look at our test session. If we focus in on the lower right panel, we'll see that we have a section called Network, Error and Crash Reporting, and Device Vitals. Let's focus on Network. I'm going to select only the errors. Let's take a look at a couple of calls, taking a look at the headers. We've got a trace ID. Now, very useful information, not specifically what we need in this case. Let's move on to the device vitals. Here we can see CPU performance, memory usage, and UI responsiveness. The UI responsiveness is critical for us to see those two app not responding issues that came up. Let's take a look at the video and the interactions now. You can see the class name, attributes, IDs, and can scrub the video right to these points. Again, this is useful, but right now I think we need to focus on the actual error that we got. Let's jump in. The first part is we can see that there were similar issues coming up that were logged. Now, we jump into debug. We see the call stack. We even have some assets that we can take a quick look at. More helpful information, but ultimately, we just jump into the source code and we can see where the issue is. We just saw how mobile app diagnostics provides you insights into how your customers and their devices interact with your app, how your app consumes APIs and services, and when needed, access to detailed error and crash reports. Thank you.